Okay, this video is all about dilution. So you're gonna have to understand what dilution is. So dilution means decreasing the concentrations by adding more solvent, which is water. So basically what I want you to understand is that these are the equations. This is gonna be the only equation you need to know for dilution factors. Remember, we've already learned how to make a concentration, which is the unit of molarity, which is big M, and volume is can be in milliliter or liter, depends on what you want to do. So let's go ahead and look at question 1. So basically this question is a little bit tricky. So what I want you to do is, if 5 mils of water are added to 20 mils of that concentration. So let's go ahead and visualize the thing. This is the flask by itself. This is what you need to have. So first, your volume, you only have 20 mil. That's what you have to original. And your unit concentration is 0.5 molarity. So I'm just gonna write it down. So this is the concentration. Before the water is added. And then what happened was, you added 5 mils of water. So this is what happened before. So after that, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna have to draw pictures the same way. So now your volume is a little bit more. So you're gonna have to understand what total volume is. (20 plus 5 is equal to 25 milliliter. That's your second volume. What would your concentration be? You don't know. So basically you're looking for the new concentrations. So now you're gonna have to understand what you have. This is the situation from the questions. So you're gonna have to understand, this is the potassium sulfate. Same. Potassium sulfate. We wanna know how much of that is being formed. I'm sorry. Like, what would be the new concentration after the water is being added? So basically now you have more water. So based on the theory, so when you're adding more, add more water to the solution, the concentration will be decreases. So what that means is that your concentration will be less. So now we're gonna prove the point. So now you have molarity 1 times volume 1 is equal to molarity 2 times volumes 2. So basically this is, we could just say this is like initial, you can say initial after. So basically what you want to do here, based on your interpretation from the question, it is obviously says that the solution by itself has that. So the first volume is 20. That's what we have. You don't know this one. Your second volume, which is the volume added, so you're using this. So it will be 25 that. So in order for you to be looking for, so I'm just gonna say, this is what you're looking for. So same thing. I'm gonna do this, 0.5 times 20 divided by 25. So from the calculations you would get 0.5 times 20 divided by 25 is 0.4 molarity. So your new concentration would be 0.4 molarity. So this one you're gonna have to understand that, you know, when you convert, when you're adding more water, your concentration should be less. Is that correct? So it is correct. So it's proven. Correct. Based on the theory.